Hi, and welcome to the Conservation Diver Patreon page. My name's George Bevan, and some years ago now I took the big leap to change my career into marine conservation. Today I sit on the board of Conservation Diver, having started as a fledgling at the New Heaven Reef Conservation Programme and going on to start some programmes in Nicaragua and now in the Azores. We have set up this Patreon page and tried to help people like myself who made a big career change and wanted to get into marine conservation, and for other people who have just got into the industry and looking for ways to penetrate certain roles. Those who are already working in marine conservation and are looking either to advance their knowledge and develop certain programs they're currently doing. And for those who have a keen interest in marine science, marine conservation, and want to learn a little bit more about that industry as they're considering it to be a future career. So, this is who we are, Conservation Diver on Patreon. Now, we have quite a few video series to try and help you on your way. We'll be having a multitude of different speakers from our own team and externally. One of the first series you'll be welcome to is one by Chad Scott, who will be demonstrating a roadmap into marine conservation. He'll then also be joined by myself, to make the Making Conservation Diver a business series, where we'll talk about the more complex issues of designing your model, planning your conservation program, looking at the different parameters you need to assess and research in different locations, and how to get some of that business administrative side set up. We also have amazing speakers from our best-in-class instructor team, such as Elle Haskin, who will be talking about the best ways to instruct certain courses and to get your teaching across to students, as well as Kirsty Maxson, who will be talking about real ways to structure your program and keep your students and interns involved in what you're doing, as well as looking at the insights from the New Heaven Conservation Program, where she'll be on hand to tell you all the little snippets and show you the best techniques of some of the practices they do there. We also will be getting guest speakers in through people who have come through our program, scientists in the field who will also be talking about their career paths and how they got into the work that they're doing. So hopefully, through our different membership levels, you'll be able to find something that suits you and have something that is really valuable for your future career. For those of you who end up paying for the higher membership levels, we'll be offering some bespoke one-on-one training. We will help with weekly seminars. You will also have access to more advanced materials for those sort of membership levels. So depending on where you are in your career and what you want to get out of our Patreon, hopefully we've got something for everybody. So if you're interested, please click onto our Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Conservation Diver Official. Have a look at the different membership levels, see what benefits they will give you. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@conservationdiver.com or through any of our social media platforms, and we'll help you get onto the career path that you'd like to. From all of us at Conservation Diver, we're excited to have you on our Patreon page, and we look forward to helping you grow your future. Thank you.